How to make a Libra man fall in love with an Aries woman. The connection between a Libra man and an Aries woman is a dance between charm and fire. His calm nature balances her boldness, creating a magnetic yet delicate attraction. To make a Libra man fall deeply in love, an Aries woman must blend passion with patience, strength with softness. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Show confidence, not control. A Libra man admires confidence but dislikes domination. The Aries woman should express her strong nature with grace, letting her boldness shine without overpowering him. Balance is the key. Lead when necessary but allow him space to guide too. 2. Engage his mind. Libra men love intelligent, thoughtful conversations. Stimulate his mind with topics about art, life, and ideas. When an Aries woman shares her opinions respectfully and listens in return, she earns both his attention and admiration. 3. Stay emotionally grounded. While Aries can be impulsive, Libra values calm communication. Handle disagreements with patience and understanding. Emotional maturity will help him feel secure and deepen his affection. 4. Appeal to his love for beauty. Libra is ruled by Venus, the planet of beauty and balance. Dress with elegance, create peaceful surroundings, and express your natural charm. These subtle touches will captivate his romantic side effortlessly. 5. Support his decisions. Libra men often hesitate when making choices. Instead of criticizing, offer gentle encouragement. Your support will make him feel valued and safe in the relationship. 6. Show loyalty through actions. A Libra man appreciates consistency more than grand gestures. Be reliable, honest, and attentive. Small actions of care speak louder than dramatic declarations of love. 7. Keep harmony in the relationship. Avoid unnecessary conflict. Focus on cooperation and mutual respect. When both energies, Aries' passion and Libra's diplomacy, work together, love flourishes naturally. A Libra man falls for an Aries woman who brings warmth without chaos, strength with gentleness, and excitement balanced with peace. Understanding how to make a Libra man fall in love with an Aries woman is about mastering the art of harmony, where fire meets air, and passion finds balance. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.